How to make invitation card using invitation card maker on Picsart. If you use Picsart and you want to make an invitation card, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch Picsart, and once you launch Picsart, tap on the plus icon that you can see from the bottom. From here, from this top left, you can see the option called templates. So first of all, you want to go to templates. In the search all templates section, you can simply search for different type of templates, but you can simply look for the one that says invitation card over there. So there will be different type of templates for different types of sizes and so on. You can simply search for a certain template that you wish, and you can customize that particular one. Now some of them are free templates, some of them are paid templates. So based on whichever one it is that you want, you can select a certain template and then you can simply convert everything and change it according to yours. So you can type in "you are cordially or specially invited," change the text, change the logo, change the image, and then you can hit the save button to make and design your invitation card. There are also many tools at the bottom that you can leverage to your advantage. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.